The next update is regarding task lists. So through the simplified interface, which is what the PBCS suite uses, the task list has now been expanded to include some new task types, such as refreshing an application, importing or exporting, copying data version to version, viewing a job console to ensure things have been completed, such as business rules or copies or things like that, or the dimension editor option. So these, again, are mostly features that assist a user in navigating to different facets of the PBCS application in a list-by-list format to keep somebody on track and make sure getting someone up to speed on new tasks is as simple as possible. So we would encourage everyone to explore these. Some of these are more related potentially to an administrative role, such as refreshing an application or editing dimensions, but checking a job console to ensure calculations have run or copying version data has happened is definitely something that we've seen more users or power users getting involved in. So if anyone is using task lists, we would encourage them to check out the new features to make sure that they're not missing things they could be taking advantage of.